You can do it, Tom.
He's just gonna jump right at me, dude.
No, he's not. He's terrified. He's not gonna jump on you.
I don't think I can pin him, though.
That's the problem with the location. He's terrified. I think he'll be happy to just have you lift him out of the house. You gotta go for it. Go. Ooh. It's kind of smart. He's wedging himself under the little decorative part.
I think I can grab him by the tail, but I'm really afraid.
Oh, that's a great idea. You've got protection, honey. Just grab him. And then don't let go.
Will you do this?
Sweetie, you can do it. You have to have some closure with your mice story.
This could be bad. I could get bit by a mouse.
You're not going to, because you're going to grab it by the very tip of the tail, and he's going to have no strength to get up to your hand.
I can't do this.
Sweetie pie, just go. Come on, you can do it.
Will you do it, please?
This is closure.
Wait.
Come on, he's just waiting. Saying, help me out of this house, please.
He senses my fear.
No. Have no fear, Tom. Go for it.
Hi.
You want me to do it? Now you lost the tail contact. Aw, poor little guy. I'm trying to help you, buddy.
Do you think you can do this later?
Yeah. His eyes are pretty ugly. My left hand, please. It's my best hand.